Okay, so it's time to leave this beautiful hostel. I just flew my drone before and I was really scared because it is very windy and I was really afraid that I'm gonna crash it, and I think it came back very fast because the battery was so low.
These winds won't change without your love, and you hide your heart away from all that it does. No hands can hold you close enough.
We're going to Bocas del Toro now, and we're going by a shuttle. I think it's about $15 and they organized it for us, but you could also go by public transport, but you might wait for I think a few hours, so we won't do that because we're a little in time. Breakfast. Oh, and I forgot, the staff here is so nice, so you should really check it out here and come here.
Oh, yeah, thank you.
So now we have to do the walk again, about 20 minutes, this time again with the big backpacks. Babs is really looking forward to it.
And left alone.
Waiting for the bus again, but with a very nice view again. Away from the jungle to the sea, to Bocas del Toro. Waiting for the boat ride to Bocas town. And Babs is making her hair. Going to Bocas.
You break my hands to steal your own. If you're caught red-handed, you lie all the way home.
Welcome to Bocas. And the only two ATMs here on the island are broke.
You've made your plans and left alone.
So we found a supermarket where we can pay with card, and now we have our beer and are waiting for the boat to our island, which is called Isla Bastimentos. Now it's raining. La la la! We arrived! Hola, Isla Bastimentos. Going through the mangrove to the Red Rock Beach. Hola! Didn't know there are crocodiles here. Quite a long walk to Palmar Beach. We're staying there in the dorm room. So we finally arrived here, and it's really awesome because we're in a dorm room in the middle of the jungle again. But this time it's the Caribbean jungle, and it's really very wet and loud and very a lot of animals, so it's really cool. Chris comes right from the toilet, which is here. Awesome.
You're faking all alone. You'll never find that feeling. You're still far away.